Okay, we have a Clausen Colchester Professional Series engine lathe, model 8031VS, serial number VT0231-367. We're gonna run it for you. It's got 15-inch swing by 50-inch centers. Right now, we're running in the low range. Again, it's variable speed within 3 ranges. You can see it's got a digital tachometer. Right now, we're in the low range. Forward and reverse. Brake. The middle range. We're at 265 RPM, up to 375. Forward and reverse. Machine does have a thread dial indicator, inch metric threading, travadial also for longitudinal travel. We're in the high range, we're at 1100 RPM. 2300. Going down. 350 RPM. Crossfeed. Longitudinal feed. Again, you do have a travadial. You also do have a bed turret with this machine. We'll show that. 3-jaw chuck and lever type 5C collar closer. Now we're running the lead screw. He's engaged the half nut and we're threading. All right, that's the bed turret. Again, you've got a nice option there. You have a couple of pieces of tooling in the turret. Indexable. It's a 6th position. You have the tailstock. Tailstock has Morse taper, number 5 Morse taper. Again, we do have a 3-jaw chuck and a lever type 5C collar closer as well. Machine has a hardened ground bedways, nice condition, original paint. Hey, thank you for watching our video.